As you can see, this screen is similar to the step that we have done as part of our single site cluster, where you saw as soon as we configured the master node, it reported itself as a search end. So now we need to add peers to this master. In order to add peers, you have two methods. One, you can use Splunk CLI, but it's better to understand Splunk configuration files so that you will know what configuration are changed and how they are placed. We'll go to system local server.conf, same file as we did for single site clustering. As you can see, we have disabled the single site clustering. Now we will add the configuration that is necessary as part of our multi-site clustering. That is, these are the configuration that are required for our multi-site clustering. You need to change this IP as per our indexer cluster master. As you can see, we have added these lines here. We are mentioning this as site 1, that is indexer 1, and cluster master, both are in the same site. And the replication port, as we all know, this port is required for copying data in between the cluster members. We are defining the same port as we defined for our single site, that is 9080, and the master URI, the mode will be slave. Here the multi-site configuration and the single site configuration, the only difference is we are defining the site name. I'll copy the same configuration and change the site name to my other indexer so that it simulates that it is in a different site in order to verify our indexer cluster. I'll go to my second instance, system local server.conf. You can edit this configuration using any editing tools, that is text editors, gedit or nano, vi, notepad++, anything you feel comfortable. You can edit and copy these files and restart your Splunk instance. It should totally work fine. As you can see, I just changed site to site 2. Rest everything it is same. Our first indexer is about to start up. Okay, it has successfully started. Now let me go ahead and restart my second instance. So once these two are restarted, you should be able to see as part of your cluster indexing clustering master information where peers will be 2 and the site information will be displayed right next to them. That is our site 1 and site 2. Our indexer 2 is also up now. As you can see, we have 2 sites which we have simulated Splunk to read 2 instances. Over a period of time, once we have replication factor and the indexes which needs to be replicated are enabled, we'll be able to see all these factors will be met. Replication factor, search factor, and data that is searchable.